So in today's video, I want to talk about Google Ad Exclusions. What are these? These are where we're telling Google to exclude a period of time that we'll see our ads paused. So sometimes we can have a period of time, say 3, 4, 5 days, longer even, but Google will pause our ads if we say gone over verification, advertised verification needed. Google will pause our ads. Or secondly, we need to update our payment details, and then again we can see our ad being paused. Or simply we pause them ourselves for say 3, 4, 5 days while we update headlines, descriptions, or we want to update our assets within Google. But when we pause the ads and then we have them up and running, there is a period of time where there's no data being fed, and Google will calculate that period of time. So all we want to do is tell Google to exclude the paused period of time. And this is what I want to show. So let's jump into Google Ads and let me show you how to do this. So we can see here in the Google Ad account that we've got it paused at a period of time. So if we come to the campaign itself, we can see that from June 17th to June 18th, which was a day, this could be 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It could be a longer period of time. So we've got a period of time where the ads are paused. So June 17th to June 18th. So all we need to do is if we come to tools and then come to adjustments, you'll see seasonal or exclusions. We need to click into exclusions. And then from here, what we need to do is add an exclusion. So if we click on new data exclusion, what we can do here is we can just put data exclusion, and then we can put a further description if we want to. And then from here, we know that the data that we want to exclude from June 17th to June 18th, all we need to do is put those dates in. So let's put in June 17th. If you've got a time, you can put that in. And then we need to exclude it again to June 18th. And it's just as simple as that. We put in the name, put in the exclusion, and then from here we just add in all campaigns to search, display, shopping, PMAX. Click on here for the specific campaign which will bring up. And then all we need to do here, once we've put this data in, we then save that piece of data. Now, the only caveat to this is if we have anything over 14 days. So say we've got 16 days of paused ads. All we need to do here is if we keep this nice and simple, say we go June 17th to June 14th, Google will only be able to count 14 days of paused data. If it's another additional 2 days, we can save this, come back in here, and again add in those extra 2 days of exclusions, or 3, 4, 5 days. So anything over 14 days, you need to do this twice to the campaign for Google to exclude that period of data. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. Alas, a way to exclude bits of data that we want Google not to count when it's calculating paused period of time.